Hi there guys, it's Mike, and in this video we're going to have a look at GoPro's Hero 7 Black. This is the latest in their Hero series and is one of the most popular and versatile action cameras in the world today. When you open up the box of a Hero 7 Black, you're going to find the camera itself, you're going to get the skeleton housing and a battery, as well as a curved adhesive mount for going on helmets, and a flat adhesive mount for any clean flat surface you want to attach it to. You'll also get a USB-C to USB cable, which is used for charging the camera and also for transferring data from the card to your laptop. The body of the Hero 7 Black is completely waterproof down to 10 meters with no additional housings. The body is also freeze-proof down to -10 and shockproof to up to 2 meters. It has a 2-button design with your mode and power button here on one side, and you have the start stop record button on the top. You have the front screen, which will show you how long you've been recording for, how many photos you've taken, and how much memory you have left. And you have a full touch screen on the back. This is used to navigate the menus, as well as changing settings and changing the modes on the camera. On the bottom here, this is where you're going to put the battery in, and you're going to see one of your 2 O-ring seals. The battery pulls out just like that, and as you see, the battery takes up quite a large portion of the internal of the camera. You also have on the side here your access port for getting into the USB-C and the micro HDMI. This does pop off, which means when you put it into the skeleton mount, you can still use this cutout and have access to the ports. Now, be aware, of course, that if you have this port off, your camera is not waterproof or dustproof. The attached skeleton mount is how you attach it to the large variety of GoPro accessories, and that is a simple case of click, open, pop it in, slide that, click, snap, and you are ready to mount this and go on your adventure. The most common use of a GoPro is for video, and its video functions are very impressive. With 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, you can get ultra high quality slow motion shots at up to half of real speed. If you're looking for even slower slow motion, you can use the 1080p up to 240 frames per second. This is nearly 1/10 slower than real time, taking 1 second of footage up to 9.5 seconds of playback. This allows you to take those moments and really slow them down and savor the action. The other big improvement in the video function on the Hero 7 Black is Hypersmooth. Hypersmooth is the most advanced video image stabilization technology we've seen on the market yet. This will allow you to get gimbal-like smooth video with no additional accessories. The camera itself can be shaken and run, and it has all kinds of algorithms to figure out what kind of motion the camera is experiencing to give you the most accurate image stabilization. By far the biggest improvement on the GoPro's video function is Hypersmooth. This is GoPro's very own digital image stabilization technology. Using the motion sensors inside the camera, it can detect how it is being moved, and it can figure out the best stabilization to suit. This means if you're running along, you don't need a handheld gimbal or anything for silky smooth cinema footage, you literally just need the camera. Another great addition to the Hero 7 Black is Time Warp. Building on the really successful time-lapse video function, they introduce image stabilization, which means you no longer have to have your camera in a stationary position when capturing time-lapse video. In terms of photo functionality, the Hero 7 retains the night photo mode, giving you up to a 30-second exposure for light trails or even starry skies. And its burst photo mode can take up to 30 photos in 1 second, perfect for capturing that perfect moment. And it introduces the Smart Photo mode. Now, this is a very clever algorithm which edits your photo in real time as you just click the button once, giving you the very best photo with minimal effort. In terms of photo functionality, the Hero 7 Black has multiple modes which you can use differently. First off, you have the night photo mode, which allows you to capture with up to a 30-second exposure, perfect for light trails and starry skies. Then there's the burst photo mode, which captures 30 full resolution photos in 1 second, great for capturing the action. But my favourite is the new smart photo mode. The camera will detect the scene and will add filters, adjustments and exposure corrections to give you the perfect photo with just one click. So that's our quick look at the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is a rugged, versatile and user-friendly camera platform perfect for your next adventure. Now, if you want any more information on this camera, you can find it at jessops.com or by visiting any one of our stores. And if you have one of these cameras and want to learn how to get the very best out of it, check out our exclusive GoPro Academy course at jessops.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure that bell icon is on so you'll see every time we upload a video. We look forward to seeing you again soon.